She tried to hide it all in the bathroom.
Oh no.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
No, it's just.
He's stating that someone took his keys. Who took his keys?
I didn't take his key. I just pulled in because I had to pick up my daughter from practice. So
Well,
it had to
he's
be my
stating
daughter.
that someone took his keys.
Seemingly minor theft suddenly turns into a shocking chase.
Listen, that wasn't mine.
Yeah, you stole it from Belk.
No, was it? I didn't.
He watched you the whole time.
Chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out.
Going to jail too.
Chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out.
Everything spiraled out of control over a single mistake at the shopping mall. A routine shoplifting report escalates into an unprecedented tense scene right inside the hair salon.
She tried to hide it all in the bathroom.
Oh no.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
No, it's just. Listen, that wasn't mine.
Yeah, you stole it from Belk.
No, was it? I didn't.
He watched you the whole time.
The woman in custody begins to explain her actions, but will her reasoning convince the police?
Get out here. She tried to hide it all in the bathroom.
Oh no.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
No, it's just. Listen, that wasn't mine.
Yeah, you stole it from Belk.
No, was it? I didn't. No, but no. Somebody gave me that bag.
Okay.
And then when I see y'all.
He watched you the whole
No, but
time.
I'm just saying though, but for real, somebody gave me that bag. I didn't mean to like steal it. Wait, somebody gave me that bag. I didn't mean no harm, son.
The boots and stuff are yours? Let's see. That's a set. Well, I know you said the kid clothes, so she had this. That's what she took to carry everything in.
No,
You don't got any ID on you, do you?
no, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Lashonda.
LaShonda what? Did you see anybody else with her?
I got the door.
It
And what is so? You're saying they caught? Yeah.
When confronted with extreme hypothetical scenarios, her reaction leaves both the police and staff stunned, utterly bewildered.
Those clothes.
Trying to get my ride. Get me a ride.
Were you planning on selling those clothes so you could get back down to Tallahassee?
No, somebody. It's for somebody, and that's the ride. That's
Yep.
gonna give me a ride.
And you'd get them that clothes to get the ride.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So let me ask you this: if someone said you had to shoot this person in the face to get a ride, would you shoot them in the face? And so it doesn't make it right, does it? Exactly.
You on probation?
Here, watch this one.
Trying not to get that. I was just trying to get it.
Miss Shrew, do you have a license? You don't have a license? Do you have an ID?
We're take a step to the left.
Or...
Take a step to the left. That way we don't gotta go through these.
I don't have anything on me.
No, I'm not talking about on you, like in this
Oh,
system.
yeah.
Where would your ID or license be at? Like, if you had one? Is it all in Florida?
So I was just trying to get myself restrained in from here. From Tallahassee. From Georgia to Tallahassee. I was trying to down here.
I get you. Got another shoplifting in progress.
You know, I didn't. It wasn't like that. I was just trying to get restrained.
I get you say that it's not like that,
I
but
understand what you're saying, though, but I was not.
but the actual facts of it are is that you did.
Like 2 days. Why did you come? I didn't mean to come here and roll with somebody. And then they ended up picking us up.
Watch your step. Watch your step. Yeah, there we go.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh shit! I got you.
That's why I was
Oh shit!
I'm sorry.
You're
I'm
good.
scared.
You're good.
Sorry. But yeah, and then I've been out here stuff like walking the streets and stuff like that. I just trying to be down here. That's all. I was just trying to get my stuff back to Tallahassee. That's all.
I hear you, but we still can't be stealing from stores.
I understand that, sir. I understand that, sir. I do get that.
Watch your step. Watch your step. Watch your step.
The police remind her of the serious legal consequences. A single decision that could change her entire future looms ahead.
No, I apologize.
To the best of my knowledge, that's
hers.
yeah.
And then I've been out here for like 2-3 days just walking around.
It's like hers. I can't see right anything.
No, that's
This ain't yours? This is not yours? Where'd you find this?
That's not yours?
So whose is it?
I think it's hers. That's not yours? It's in this bag when you put this other stuff?
Yes, I told you somebody else was in this dog.
You got like the same makeup on, no?
It was two of us.
There was two of you?
I told you there was two of them. I told
Oh, and this is her stuff?
you. She said it was a bag. Only bag I had was like, I put stuff in that bag right there. So I put my stuff in that bag right there.
The case ends with a 5-year ban from all Belk stores and serious charges, a stark reminder of the importance of law and personal responsibility.
Before I got here,
I was not
chilling.
Listen to what
And
I'm
you
saying.
decided
Listen to what I'm
to-
saying. I'm not saying that right there. What I'm saying is that I was trying to get back home, and at the end of the day,
Then you should-
I'm getting caught up with some other stuff. And that's why I said it's bullshit.
I get
I
that,
say
but
nothing
it's-
like y'all doing.
No,
bullshit.
no, I know you didn't, but think about how we think about how we got in this predicament. I didn't do anything.
I didn't say you did. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that at all, sir.
Just let them do their thing, man.
I'm not saying that at all. You ain't saying that. I ain't saying that at one time.
But if you're trying to get home, I don't think doing this would help your situation at all. You just made a mistake. I'm not here to judge you, so you definitely made a mistake. We don't know if it's a misdemeanor, and it doesn't matter. Oh, that's just how they do it here. No, we can't do citations. It's over 5? Yeah, I figured.
Miss Shawnee, you gotta step up. We're gonna be on our way.
It's felony.
Alright, stand up. Stand up. We're gonna be on our way, alright? Out the door. Here's what this is.
You're trespassed from all Belk property for 5 years.
Alright? So don't come back here, or we gotta lock you up.
In Florida, grand theft is considered a felony and can result in up to 5 years in prison, fines of up to $5,000, 0 cents, restitution, and other long-term consequences. DeShonda was charged with felony theft and banned from the Belk store for 5 years. Up next, what seemed like a routine incident erupted when a woman snatched a tow truck key and ran into her apartment.
It's a program key. With having somebody come out here to program it is that much.
Okay,
My
so-
manager's coming in a few minutes.
So where you said she's not on scene, she went inside.
Yeah, the other, these two, they're all in the same apartment. These two are here that are watching.
Okay.
They're all together.
Okay. So what, you just want your keys back, or you
I
want
want the keys back, and also the reason why they took the key, because they don't want me to take that car
Okay.
that has no plates. I already have it hooked up, and if they want their car back, they can go pick it up at 524 Ring Road.
Oh, okay. All right. So you just want your keys.
I just want my keys and call it a day.
All right, no problem. Hello, how y'all doing? Great. So can I explain to you what's going on?
So we live here for 7 years.
Okay.
Never been a tow truck. This man with the green shirt supposed to be the neighborhood watch.
Okay.
7 years I've been fighting. Even my landlord told me, nope. When I signed the lease, nobody's allowed to park in front of your door.
Okay.
But everybody come in and park in front of anybody's door. Visitors, don't matter. Skip it.
Gotcha.
He never paid attention to that. So we caught him on camera, and the neighbors also caught him going around people behind cars, checking out their tag. And then so all of a sudden today, out of the blue, the car getting towed and he's standing outside.
All right.
And he's sitting here telling us, oh, I didn't call, but the neighbor just text me and said, you the one that did it.
All
Because
right,
they
cool.
caught you on camera doing that. So
All right, I understand all that.
Never, ever, 7 years, you could ask anybody in the neighborhood, have we ever had any tow truck rolling in here? The car parked in front of my door. So I'm trying to understand what problem is it. I have my registration in hand. The
Yeah.
person's coming to get the
All
car's
right.
already signed to them. So I'm trying to understand what is the problem with the car parked here for one
All right.
day.
All right, no problem. Quick question. He's stating that someone took his keys. Who took his keys?
I didn't take his key. I just pulled in because I had to pick up my daughter from practice. So
Well,
it had to
he's
be my
stating
daughter.
that someone took his keys.
As her reasoning comes to light, what seemed plausible only leaves the police and witnesses more bewildered.
today. I took the tag off today. This is the registration.
I understand that,
this is
but
the title to the car.
well, it looks like it was already one warning already on the car. Then there was a second one.
There was no second warning. Both of them was in the window.
Okay, well,
at the same time.
Well, I don't know what you mean.
And that was literally a couple of days ago. And I have
okay,
this right
I understand
here.
that, but that's a warning saying they could tow at any time.
At any time,
they,
but
they basically giving you a warning. What he's suggesting, he just wants his keys so he could take the car, but y'all could go to the tow truck yard and actually pick the car back up. That's all he wants. He just wants his keys back so he could do his job and leave. You said your daughter took the keys,
but
you said I understand what you're going through, but you said your daughter took the keys.
It's
you
not
could
even
call
what I'm going through. It's the understanding of the law, because.
But I understand that, but this is an apartment place. They probably have rules here. In order for your car to be parked here, you probably gonna
from the owner.
Yeah, but you probably have to have a tag on the vehicle.
The tag was on the vehicle.
I see 2 warnings that they could tow your car.
I understand they did that. It was put on both together at the same day. And that's when I sold the freaking car. Tomorrow, the person coming to get the car.
All right, but he's already hooked. The car's already hooked up whatsoever.
Sir, okay, I'm gonna get my daughter to give him the key.
Give him the keys.
But just so you understand what's going on here.
Yeah, I understand everything's going on, but the thing is, rules is rules.
I understand.
Rules is rules.
Rule is rule.
Yeah, that's the thing. Rules is rules.
You just got here, so you don't know what.
So
really
the issue date is the 20, which is the 26th.
Mm-hmm.
This vehicle will be towed on the 27th, which is yesterday. So they actually gave y'all a chance to actually take the car away, but for my mistake, y'all didn't tow the car away. So it was issued on the 26th. They was going to tow it on the 27th. Today is the 28th. So they have all the rights to tow away the car.
I understand that, because we have a tow person if we need to get a car towed from this area.
That. But can you call your daughter so she can get the key?
He just happened to pop up out of the blue. Just tow the car, right?
I got you.
But everything erupted. Shouting, insults, and threats turned the apartment complex into a tense battlefield.
So I'm here with the Orlando Police Department. Can we step over there and can you give me your side of the story? What happened?
We can stay right there.
No, I feel more comfortable talking about it right there. But I feel more comfortable talking about it over there.
Why? Right where they at?
Yeah. No, just right in front of her.
What's wrong with here?
No, we could talk over there.
Well, what's wrong with here?
No, I feel more comfortable talking over there.
And I'm telling you, as a citizen, I feel comfortable right here. As a citizen.
What are you doing?
Bro, are you kidding me? I'm not.
Chill on the back. Chill out, chill out. Chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out. Chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out. Chill out, chill out, chill out. Chill out, chill out.
Say something. Please say something.
You a fucking black man.
Stay calm, Bookie. Don't say a word. It's recording. Please don't say a word.
How old are you?
Don't say a word, please. Do not say one word.
How old are you?
Not one word. If they need any answer, let them figure it out themselves.
All right. Can you stand right here? We just need to pat you down.
My knee locked up.
Knee locked up too.
The police arrive trying to gather information, but the woman repeatedly refuses to cooperate. A tense standoff no one could look away from.
Excuse me, you're refusing rights?
All right. Feeding me beside the still water.
Ma'am, if you don't provide your name and date of birth, you catch
My name is Claudina Fredericks. You guys are the officers. Why are y'all not doing your job? Because he keep asking me for my name.
All right, can you spell that?
Claudina Fredericks.
Can you spell that?
Claudina Fredericks. I'm telling you.
If I knew how to spell it, I wouldn't be.
Okay, well, you told me my name.
Can you spell it for me?
You asked for my name. Claudina Fredericks. In the name of Jesus, get this devil away from me.
Claudrica, that's your name, right? Claudrica Frederick?
You talking to him, you're kiki-keying.
I'm not kiki, but I'm trying to get your...
I just told you my name is Claudina Fredericks.
All right, can you spell it for me?
You don't know how to spell my name?
No,
and you just asked me for it?
Can you spell your name?
Claudina Fredericks is my name. My date of birth is...
There's a reason why. If I knew how to spell it, I wouldn't be asking
You're
you.
trying to antagonize me as an officer.
I'm not trying to. I'm just trying to get your name.
I rebuke that devil that's on your back right now, bro.
I'm just trying to get your
I told
name.
you that shit.
Can you spell your name for me, please? Miss, can you spell your name?
All right, you're gonna get listed in as Jane Doe. You won't get a bail until you tell me.
I just told you my name is Claudina Fredericks.
I'm trying to tell you.
White man don't talk to me like that. I am. And you been racist. CLAUDJINA. Spell it. Ma, he keep talking to me. He talking about him to get another charge. I have.
All right, can you step in? CLU.
Crack up.
Multiple serious charges loom over her, serving as a reminder that defying the law can come at a steep price. The woman was taken into custody for grand theft, burglary of a vehicle, assaulting an officer, and criminal mischief. Impulsive actions like theft or resisting the police may happen in a moment, but their consequences can last a lifetime.
Stop resisting. You're hurting me for no reason. Help me. Help me. Help me.
On April 9th, 2024, a woman was accused of taking items without paying at a car wash. What started out as a simple incident quickly escalated into a confrontation with police.
What's going on? This lady here in the Jeep, she came in her store, and we gave her 6 packages of our sample wipes. She came in, said they weren't enough, so wipes and spray. Told my coworker to get the fuck out of her way. She said if I wanted to pay for them, I would, and walked out the way. And
How much do you owe?
$10.
Yeah. You guys want to pursue charges of it?
I'm not the manager, but I don't know. I know they're going to end up canceling her membership and not let her back, but
Some no charges present now.
like I don't know. I just don't think it's necessary for you to come to a place of business.
Police approached the woman and asked her to leave because she was forbidden from returning, but she refused, continuing to use the hose and record video. She shouted that she was being discriminated against, causing the situation to escalate.
What's going on? Apparently something. The workers are saying you took things without paying.
They want to leave and never come back when they're canceling for sure.
Ma'am. Okay, you need to leave the premises or you're going to be arrested for trespass. You need to leave the premises immediately or you will be arrested for trespass. You are hereby trespassed from this location. They're canceling it.
They can't do that.
Yes, they can.
Without notice?
Yes, they can.
Well, then I just purchased a wash.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Unless they're going to refund me my
Listen to
money
me.
right now.
As of now, it is time to put that down and leave.
They owe me money for the month.
Then you're going to get arrested for trespass.
I'm not trespassing.
Put it down. Put the hose down. No. No.
Police used force to subdue her as the woman screamed, struggled in pain, called for help from her old injuries, and desperately resisted arrest.
No. Are you arresting me? Why are you under arrest? I'm not under arrest. I'm not under arrest.
Yes,
do not touch me. Help me! Help me! Help me! I'm black and they're hurting me! I'm black and stop pulling on me! Stop pulling on me!
You're going to get tased. All right, let go or you're going to get tased.
I'm getting my phone. Stop pulling on me! Stop pulling on me! You're hurting me! Help me! Help me! You think it's funny? Help me! There you go. Don't tell me against the car.
Stop resisting.
You're hurting me for no reason. I came to wash my car.
Get on the ground.
I came to wash my
Grab
car.
your stomach.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Get up! Stop! I came to wash my car. I came to wash my car. Please help me, sir. Please. They're arresting me because I washed my car. I paid for a subscription here. Come on. Stop pushing me. I'll walk.
Walk.
Stop pushing me. Walk. I You're not giving me a chance.
Go ahead, I'm giving you a
You're
chance right
putting
now.
momentum.
I'm giving you a chance right now.
When arrested, the woman panicked and worried about her waiting daughter, saying the police were indifferent, showing stress and loss of control.
I have carpal tunnel.
Well, you resisted, so we couldn't do them properly.
I never
Have a seat.
resisted at all.
Have a seat.
I came to wash my car.
Have a seat.
You all three?
We're good. She's in custody.
My stuff
Lean
is
back
going to
for
get
me.
stolen. I have a daughter to pick up from school. I'm in a hurry. My child, my minor child, is waiting for me to pick her
Lean
up.
back in the car.
My minor
I
child,
hear you. Lean
you're
back.
leaving my minor abandoned. She's waiting for me to pick her up.
Where's she at?
She is at school,
Okay. We'll alert the school. What school is it?
Elyria High.
Okay. We'll let them know. What's
She
your child's
walks
name?
down to the square and meets me at the square.
Okay. We'll advise the school.
The school to
Lean
do
back.
what? To go walk down to the square and search for my daughter?
Lean back.
You're leaving my minor child abandoned. Because my child is abandoned downtown. Wouldn't you be concerned, or that's not an
Hang out
issue?
the county with that
It's
female.
not an issue. So if a stranger kidnaps my child or does something to my daughter, it's okay? If there's no sense of urgency?
No, of course it's not okay. That'd be terrible.
You sound very condescending.
I'm not. That would be a terrible thing to happen.
I hope your camera.
It is on. It's been on the whole time.
The woman cried, claiming that the police were bargaining for her child's safety. When relatives called, she asked to be contacted or provided information for support.
How about Erica?
Hey, can you look at your messages? I gotta go. Do you want to tell them your name? Are you gonna wait? So they will let you do that. They'll let you grab the number out of your phone and call her once we're in.
That's not to be bargaining my daughter's safety.
I'm not bargaining your daughter's safety. Those are the rules. I cannot give you
Those
any
aren't
property.
the rules. My daughter has been abandoned. She's a minor. She's waiting downtown Elyria where anything can happen, where anybody could grab her. And you're bartering with me with information.
Okay. Then you should have listened to us in the first place.
You should have done your job.
Okay, I
and
did.
not unlawfully touched me or arrested me for no reason.
Okay. Whatever you say.
I know it is. I feel sorry for you. Why did you feel negotiating my daughter's safety? Can you please find out something about her or let me call?
You could not call. And I have no further
You
information.
told me I could call my daughter.
Yes, once you get into booking, they'll give you the phone number to call your daughter on these phones.
So I have to wait additional
Yes.
time when my daughter's safety is in jeopardy?
Yep.
I like how you're so coy about it.
Just giving you the
Show
facts.
us you don't care. Okay. Well,
Yeah, an incident.
and it might be my daughter.
Don't, you can't have a phone on in here.
Hello? I'm looking for Jasmine too.
Okay, we gotta end this phone call.
Where is my daughter?
Yeah, she's in jail right now.
I'm looking for my daughter. I was supposed to pick her up from downtown square. And Erica Lemieux.
She called him.
I went to
call
wash. I went to wash my car.
Ma'am, they already know.
They
Her phone's in
arrested
there.
me
Her phone's in
unlawfully.
there.
And I told them repeatedly that my minor child is downtown.
I don't get service for you.
Okay.
Ma'am, give her the.
Ma'am,
give her
she's
the
in the Lorain County Jail at this time under arrest.
She's saying something about my daughter.
I know, but she needs to know that you're under arrest right now.
She needs to tell
You
me what's
cannot
going on
talk
with
to
my
them.
daughter. What's going on with my daughter? They're telling me nothing.
In Georgia, petty theft of property under $500, 0 cents, is typically handled as a misdemeanor, punishable by a fine of up to $1,000, 0 cents, or up to 12 months in prison. But repeated offenses can result in serious criminal prosecution, with a sentence of up to 10 years in prison. The woman was charged with petty theft, trespassing, and resisting arrest. Up next, a Karen carries no weapons, only greed, and the camera catches it all.
And then she, like, out of nowhere, like, she started screaming. She's like, no, my money, where's my money, where's my money? I'm like, what do I do? Like, she's screaming for her money, you know? And then she's like, she went to go talk to Sue, and then that's what happened. That's what I heard that happened.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, she was going to, but then she started screaming, so then she just put him back in her purse, and that's it.
Okay.
Yeah, she was going to.
Okay.
She started looking through her purse and saying that, oh, my money, where's my money, and that's it.
Okay. So I watched a bunch of video.
Yeah.
You took the money from the locker?
No.
Okay. You didn't take any money?
I didn't take any money.
In the locker?
Yeah, I didn't.
Okay.
No.
Do you have any money on your person right now?
On my person? No.
Yeah.
my bag, yeah.
Nothing in your.
Yeah, right here, just on my crotch. I
Okay,
just get
that's
it.
cool.
Yeah.
Is there anything else?
No, you can pat me down if you want.
Okay. No, I'm good. You just like, is there anything in your shirts?
There's nothing in my shirt.
Anything like that? Okay.
Nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, got nothing.
If a female officer came here to
She can
search
search
you,
me, yeah.
you're okay with it?
Yeah.
Okay. And how about your? So here's the deal.
Police approached the 19-year-old woman, the suspect in the case of money missing from the locker. Although she admitted to witnessing the incident, she denied taking the money and appeared cooperative, willing to be searched to prove her innocence.
Okay. It looks like you're the only one who it could have been. At all the video I watched, and I kind of saw some other stuff that I think you have the money. This is what I'm going to tell you right now, just to make everything easier. We don't have to wait around for a female officer, nothing like that. If we can get the money back to her, we can make this. I'm just telling you right now before we, any further, is like, if, something happened between you two, maybe you took some money from her purse or wallet or whatever, this can go away. Okay, she's already stated, you're 19. Are you 19?
Yeah.
Okay, you're 19. You're young. She doesn't believe. I asked her because obviously she doesn't know who it is. I'm like, if I could, determine who took the money, do you want them arrested? And I have a pretty good idea of who I think took the money. Okay, you're 19. If you have the money, I'm telling you right now, we can get the money, we can place it back in her locker, and we can make this go away, okay? And if you don't want to do that, then I have to continue with my legal process, okay? Continue, and it's going to end up in handcuffs and the police department and the court system.
I know, yeah.
So can we get the money back?
Yeah.
We can? Where is it?
In my purse.
In your purse?
Yeah.
Okay,
but she's not gonna know who it is.
Let's go to the purse.
Okay. It's in my locker.
Faced with video evidence and pressure from the police, the girl remained silent in anxiety and then admitted to taking the money, hoping to be forgiven.
Why you took it?
Because it's not that I have a problem with her or anything. I'm being honest right now. Like, I don't have any money, anything. Like, my boyfriend works too, and we're struggling right now with money, and I just
Okay, where do you live?
I live in
Okay. I want you to understand that shit is nasty.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
That is some dirty stuff. You don't want to do that, okay? You're better than that. You're 19?
Yeah, I've never done that. Yeah.
You can grind and you can make some money. I get it. I understand.
It's just my first time doing it.
Pick up overtime, this and that. Do you know how much money it was total?
I didn't count it. I just took it, so I did.
Okay. Yeah. What did you see?
In a remorseful mood, the girl explained her actions were due to financial difficulties, asserting that she had no bad intentions and that this was the first time she had made a mistake.
Can you guys give me a few? No. Oh. Is this everything?
Yeah.
Do you have your ID?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, she said she always gonna get fired.
You said what?
I was gonna get fired. She said I was gonna get fired.
Who? She said you're gonna get fired? When?
She said that if she finds whoever it is, that she was gonna get fired.
Do you have a driver's license or just ID?
Just ID.
Just ID. Okay. Probably get out of here. Whatever that is.
Do you have to give them back anything?
No.
No. Take your purse. You don't have have anything illegal in your purse, right?
No.
No.
Anything in your waist bag, come out.
Nothing.
All right. Just place your hands right behind there. Thank you.
Strike on 13.
Should be maybe an hour or so. Wrist okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Girl could be charged with theft, which is likely a misdemeanor if the amount is small. A moment of weakness can cost you your entire future. No matter how hard it is, stealing is never the way out. Cameras can capture the evidence, but it is your conscience that cannot be hidden. Choose honesty, even when life tests you the hardest. On the evening of May 21st, 2023, Sergeant Matthew Gajewski of the Union Beach Police Department was on patrol. He noticed a 2020 Toyota sub with a flat tire on Shore Road near the Morningside Avenue area. He reported the disabled vehicle to dispatch and approached the driver, identified as Justine Meadow.
Take your foot off the gas. Thank you. How are you?
Thank you. Flat tire.
Looks like you've had that flat tire for some time. Where are you coming from?
Atlantic Highlands at Middletown.
What's that? You're going to Middletown?
Yeah.
You passed Middletown. Did you hit something or?
Yeah.
What'd you hit? Pothole, huh?
When police encounter a vehicle in distress by the roadside, they approach the driver to ask about the issue and gather relevant information. The woman explained that she had hit a pothole, causing the tire damage while heading towards Middletown. If your car breaks down on the road, it is essential to stay calm and ensure the safety of yourself and others. Turn on your hazard lights to alert other vehicles. If possible, move your car to the roadside or a safe area to avoid obstructing traffic. Then perform a preliminary check to identify the problem. If you cannot repair it yourself, call for roadside assistance or a nearby garage. While waiting, stay inside your car or in a safe place to avoid accidents.
Okay, before you get back in the car, how much did you have to drink today? Nothing at all?
No.
Not one? Not a glass of wine? Not a beer? Nothing?
No.
Okay.
No.
Where are you coming from in Atlantic Highlands?
Sergeant Matthew noticed that the woman's speech was slurred, so he asked if she had been drinking, which she denied. Despite a simple question from the officer, she took a long time to respond, indicating her impaired state. Driving under the influence of alcohol or while impaired is an extremely dangerous act and a serious violation of the law. Alcohol impairs reflexes and judgment, leading to a high risk of serious traffic accidents. If you have been drinking, choose public transportation, call a taxi, or ask a relative to take you home. Your safety and that of everyone around you is always the most important thing.
Why don't you give me your license, your registration, and your insurance? Where did you hit the pothole? Stand right over here for me. We're going to turn your car off, okay?
When asked to provide a driver's license and insurance, the woman ignored the officer's request and did not respond. She used her phone to call someone. Based on his suspicion of impairment, the officer suggested that Justine participate in field sobriety tests. When requested, drivers must present a driver's license, vehicle registration, and proof of insurance. Failure to comply with this request can result in fines or even arrest. In this situation, the woman chose to ignore the officer's request and used her phone to call someone, which is not the right way to act. This could make the officer suspicious of her intentions and increase tension in the situation. Field sobriety tests, FST, are a set of tests to determine if a person is driving under the influence of alcohol or other substances. These tests are usually conducted on the spot, right where the driver is stopped. Common field sobriety tests. Horizontal gaze nystagmus hang test. The officer will ask the driver to follow an object such as a finger or pen moving from side to side. One leg stand test, the driver is asked to stand on one leg and raise the other leg about 6 to 8 inches off the ground, holding this position for about 30 seconds. Walk and turn test, the driver is asked to walk a straight line by placing the front foot in front of the heel of the back foot, taking 9 steps, turning around, and repeating the 9 steps back.
Face me. Take a step away from the car, quickly. There you go. Okay. Just put your sunglasses up for me. Like that. Okay. You can read and understand the English language, right? You understand what I'm saying to you?
Yeah.
Do you have anything wrong with your eyes that I should know about medically? Like, do you have a glass eye or anything like that? Can you see the tip of my finger?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So what I want you to do is I want you to follow my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand?
Okay. Yep.
Okay. Stand up straight. Ready? Very simple. Just follow my finger. Don't move your head. Okay? You have to stop moving your head.
During the nystagmus test, despite being reminded several times by the officer, the woman did not comply with the standard requirements of the test, continually moving her head. Nystagmus, or rapid eye movement looking to the side, can be a sign of alcohol impairment.
Here's what we're gonna do. Do you have anything wrong with your back, your hips, your knees, your ankles, anything like that medically? No? Nothing. So you're good?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna have you do a balance test, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to take your right foot and put it in front of your heel touching your toe, just like I'm doing. Heel touching your toe. Make a straight line, like this. Do you see how my feet are? Do you understand? Mm-hmm. Do you have any questions? Okay, go right ahead.
In the walk and turn test, it was evident that Justine did not walk heel to toe in a straight line and could not count her steps as instructed. This helped the officer determine that she was off balance, a sign of alcohol or substance impairment.
Whichever foot you want, you're gonna lift it off the ground about 6 inches. You're gonna point your toe out just like I'm doing. 1001, 1000, not yet, 1001, 1002, 1003, until I tell you to stop. Okay? Did you hear my instructions?
Yes.
So do you know what you're supposed to do?
Yes.
Okay. Don't hold on to your car. Put your hands at your sides.
In the third test, during the one-leg stand test, Justine started stumbling and tried to lean on the car for support. Sergeant Gajewski quickly ended the test to ensure her safety.
I am going to place you under arrest for driving while intoxicated. Please turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Don't pull away from me. Put your hands behind your back. Thank you. Don't do that. Okay?
Based on her slurred speech, the smell of alcohol on her, and her inability to complete the field sobriety test, Sergeant Gajewski arrested Justine for driving under the influence. NJCC 39450, driving while intoxicated, DWI. Anyone who drives or operates a motor vehicle on any public road or public place in New Jersey while under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or other intoxicants is considered to be violating this law. Penalties include fines, imprisonment, and license suspension depending on the blood alcohol concentration and the number of offenses. Additionally, violators must attend the Intoxicated Driver Resource Center program.
450? Yeah. Look at her fucking wheel. I can't even figure out who this woman is. Like, she's like completely out there. Dude, that's bad. Like, how long was she driving on that? Yeah. Like,
At this point, a patrol officer arrived to assist. Sergeant Gajewski was finally able to obtain her driver's license, registration, and insurance after placing Justine in the patrol car. Her car was impounded for 12 hours under John's law. Sergeant Gajewski then took Justine to the Union Beach Police Department for processing.
I can't figure out if that's new.
It's new.
Yeah, I think she hit the barrier.
Yeah, she might hit the barrier.
Yeah.
Like it's literally coming out.
I asked her if that was new, and she was like, eventually, I think she muttered a no, but...
Earlier, 2 officers discussed her car being damaged, thinking it had hit a barrier. In this situation, if evidence shows that Justine's behavior was unlawful, she could face several related charges. NJ say 39-4-129, leaving the scene of an accident. If a driver causes an accident and does not stop to provide information or report to the police, they can be charged with leaving the scene of an accident. Penalties include fines, license suspension, and possible imprisonment depending on the severity of the accident and damage caused. NJ say 39-497, careless driving. If a person is found driving without attention or care, causing an accident or hitting a barrier, they can be charged with careless driving. Penalties include fines and points on the driver's license.
Make a left into this room. Do you have your phone in your pocket?
I do,
You do? Okay.
but this is not really necessary.
All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to take these handcuffs off,
Thank you.
and then you're going to sit down, and I'm going to put this handcuff on you. You understand? Turn around.
At the police station, Justine was read the standard statement for motor vehicle operators and agreed to provide a breath sample. After several attempts, her Alcotus results showed a blood alcohol concentration back of 0.332%, more than 4 times the legal limit. After Justine was processed, she was released to a responsible party pending her court appearance after this person signed a liability warning form on her behalf. Sergeant Gajeski issued the following summonses to her: driving while intoxicated, reckless driving, careless driving, and leaving the scene of an accident. The woman we want to mention in this video is Ariel, 33 years old. On May 4th, 2024, the Hoboken Police Department received a call reporting a shoplifting incident at ShopRite. The police then arrived at the loss prevention office where they met with the staff and the alleged shoplifter.
Hello. What do you guys got?
How you doing? So the issue here is, shouldn't pay for $156 in items. There was $240 in items that did not get paid for.
I was just in a rush today.
Mm-hmm.
This is her ID.
I'm sorry.
So it was a total of
248 of things that did not get
I
paid.
called
Didn't come out the
someone.
bags.
They
and nothing.
said they could pay, hurry up and come over here, but they said they can't allow that happen.
No, so what happens from here is,
I've never been locked up in my life.
it's going to be the first time.
Yeah.
All right, unfortunately. So the items, we should be refunded for the items? Or
That's what I was trying to see. I know you guys ain't taking this stuff, so yeah. What we'll do is just refund it back to her card.
Okay. Can you do that now while we're waiting?
Yeah, do you need the card back to do
Yes,
that?
ma'am.
Okay.
Do we need a copy of it?
Of what? What do you
The card I paid with?
No, they'll just take it and refund you the money for the stuff that you did pay for.
Yeah, what you did pay for.
This woman did not pay for some items. The woman explained that she was in a rush that day and did not intend to steal the items. She expressed remorse and wanted to pay for the unpaid items. They discussed how to handle the situation, including a refund. The police were provided with a receipt detailing the value of the items she allegedly attempted to steal. Based on the value of the stolen items, the store decided to prosecute her.
So you've never been arrested before?
Nope.
This is the first time ever? So what's going to happen is we're going to have to take you up, fingerprint, photograph you, process you.
How long does that take?
An hour, 2 hours. And then you're going to be released on a summons as long as you don't have any warrants.
Do you have the card? I'm sorry to interrupt. Do you have the card so you can give you your money back?
Yes, I do.
So you're released on a summons to appear in court.
I have no warrants.
Yeah, then, like I said, you'll be released on a summons, which is like a ticket, to appear in court for a specific day in regards to this shop. Okay?
Do you guys have to handcuff me?
Yes.
Come on.
Yep.
The police informed the woman that this would be her first arrest. They explained the arrest process, including taking her to the police station, photographing, fingerprinting, and completing the necessary procedures. They also mentioned that she would be released with a court summons if there were no outstanding warrants against her.
So the total was 248, right?
That's the stuff, 248 of items that did not get paid for.
That did not get paid for.
Yeah.
And it was in the cart?
It was in bags. There was things like tied up in the bags.
So she bagged the things she paid for,
So
including
what
the things
she
she
went
didn't.
into self-checkout.
I had
just
doubles of the same items.
She put the stuff that she was gonna pay for on the belt, and then the other stuff that was in the bag.
She just placed it in the bag without,
Yeah.
without
No,
scanning.
I was scanning the stuff in the bags. I even had a person there. She saw me. I was taking stuff out of the stuff from the bag, scanning it.
Just one more time. How much was the stuff she did pay for?
156. He just took down the receipt.
Yeah, they should have copies of both of them. We'll have copy that is void. Right, it's gonna be a void or whatever.
No, that's
a
basically
return.
Of what? It's going back to
The stuff is going back to the car.
Yeah, they'll give her a copy of it.
Yeah, so we'll just take a copy of that. Take a copy of this.
Well, then we have to check that bag you have. And
That's fine.
During the check, the police asked her to present her payment card for the refund of the purchased items. Then the police proceeded to check her bag and personal belongings.
Anything that's gonna poke?
Well, this is has me keys. House keys.
Were you able to get that? No. I can't use it.
There's another zipper.
Again, close there.
That's visible.
You don't have nothing in your pockets or anything on you? Just clean out your pockets.
Adrian, is over here?
That's it.
Okay. And this one?
You should open it.
Was that headphones?
Yes.
Okay. No, I'm just making sure it's headphones. All right.
See?
Throughout this process, the woman was very cooperative with the police. When all the procedures were completed, the police handcuffed her.
All right, Mr. Monk, you want to stand up? Put your hands behind your back and have the police run the arrest, okay?
Yeah, we're just gonna walk you down to the car and then take you up, process you, and then we'll work out all the stuff from there.
Give me a minute. I'm not saying nothing. I'm being
No, you're
very,
not.
I'm being very
And we
polite.
appreciate the honesty
No,
and everything else.
You never
So,
said that.
but it's just what we have to do.
These are
Yeah.
not
All right.
allowed, right?
No, we can take it all off the head.
yeah.
You don't have to do it now.
And you're probably gonna be released on
Yeah,
a
you'll be
summons, so
released.
I'll take it. So we probably don't even need you to take it off, because,
All right.
like you said, you've never been arrested, and you're just gonna get a
We'll
ticket
be
to
out
go
in
to
an hour or
court.
two. We'll of course, like you said, okay?
We only take jewelry when you're gonna go to the county jail, which most likely you're not gonna go. Like I said, if you don't have warrants, you'll just be released on a summons to appear.
Just gonna put your seatbelt on, all right? Yeah.
Can I get a county case number?
The police reiterated that she would be released if there were no outstanding warrants. This helped alleviate her anxiety somewhat. They then moved to the patrol car and returned to the police station.
All right, sounds good.
We're gonna go in here, okay? Did we start reaching out for a female? I wanna. You can come stand right over this side.
Stand.
Yeah, I'm gonna uncuff you. Go to the bench. Sorry. Give me one second. So, the female officer's gonna search you, and then we're gonna start the paperwork and try to get you out of here as soon as possible, okay? Like you said, you have no warrants or nothing, right? You still want that ambulance to come check you off with your anxiety? You sure? All right. If you feel any different later on, you let me know.
I was able to retrieve the rest of that.
Okay, I understand. I'm gonna make this as quick and smooth as possible. All right? No, they're gonna come off. They're gonna come off. As soon as my partner lets me know she's ready, we're gonna take them off, okay?
Hi.
She's very cooperative. She took off her earrings and...
Yes.
Upon arriving at the police station, she was uncuffed and a female officer conducted a search. They assured her that the process would be quick and she would soon be released.
Right there, thank you. Thank you.
You didn't need it.
No, it's not yours.
Could you, that's not, you didn't give this to me? Or maybe Audie did.
Yeah. Just remove this jacket, please. Yeah, just get to the first layer of whatever you have on.
Finally, she was charged with shoplifting under Section 2C 2011 Billion 2 and released pending a court appearance. Concealment NJ say 2C 2011 B 2, if a person purposely conceals merchandise that is being sold by a merchant, then she will be guilty of shoplifting. Disorderly persons offense, stealing property that is worth less than $200, can result in a jail sentence of 6 months and a fine of up to $1,000. Fourth degree offense, stealing property that is worth between $200 and $500 can mean a prison term of up to 18 months and a fine of up to $10,000. Third degree offense, stealing property that is worth between $500 and $75,000 can mean going to prison for 3 to 5 years and being fined up to $15,000. Second degree offense, stealing property that is valued at more than $75,000 can result in 5 to 10 years in prison and a fine of up to $150,000. New Jersey considers shoplifting to be a serious offense, but there is a possibility of avoiding jail time for a first offense depending on the value of the stolen property. In May 2024, officers were called to a Spirit Airlines gate to handle a young woman who refused to leave the plane after taking someone else's seat. She informed the flight attendants that she didn't want to sit in the seat she had paid for. To complicate matters, she edited a photo to create a fake seat assignment document to deceive the officers. Her act of falsifying a boarding pass could be charged under 18 U.S.C. 1028, fraud and related activity in connection with identification documents, authentication features, and information. This statute deals with fraud and related activities involving identification documents, authentication features, and information. Falsifying a boarding pass can be considered document fraud, and violators can be imprisoned for up to 15 years if the offense is related to aviation security.
Ask her to come out. Will she come out? Does she have luggage?
She does have a personal item on a carry-on. Yeah. She insists. She's insistent that you don't have to upload everyone.
The flight staff reported that the woman requested the police to be called and insisted that everyone leave the plane because she had no intention of going anywhere. She claimed that the pilots were required to fly because she demanded it.
Okay, and you don't want her flying at all, not even if she moves her seat? You're gonna have to... What's her name? Camille Fair. All right, have her come up here.
She's in 13. She's supposed to sit in this seat.
Well, now the captain says no, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
So can you ask her to come up here, please?
Not gonna come. She said you have to drag her because she's not going nowhere. That's what she said. Unless you leave that reference here.
commercial flyer for Terminal 1.
Hello, Camille?
After discussing with the captain, he decided to ask the woman to leave the plane, regardless of whether she returned to her assigned seat or not. The captain has the authority to ask any passenger to leave the plane for safety or security reasons. This includes disruptive behavior, failure to follow crew instructions, or actions that threaten flight safety. If a passenger refuses to comply with the request to leave the plane, they can be arrested, detained, and prosecuted for obstructing the duties of the crew or security personnel. However, passengers also have the right to request an explanation and file a complaint if they feel their rights have been violated. Thus, the police approached the suspect.
How are you? Deputy Soto.
I'm grieving is actually how I'm doing. I'm trying to get to a funeral.
Okay, ma'am, I'm sorry about
today.
that. But now...
I'm sitting in my assigned. No.
Ma'am.
You think I would make this up? You think I would hold everybody
It's right
up?
here.
It's also right here.
That's a screenshot, ma'am.
It's the app. View my boarding pass. Why would I make that up? It's unspirited spirit. You
It says 13E.
That's where I am.
Okay, give me a minute. Let me see your phone. Listen,
No, I'm trying
to help you.
Isn't everyone else seen it?
I came here respectfully.
I understand that, but
Let
you
me show it to
understand.
the
I'm just trying to get
I understand.
to Chicago.
But right
I have
now,
a funeral
this is the thing.
tonight. I don't work
You're
for
not-
spirit.
I know that.
I'm tired.
Okay.
I've lost my zen.
Okay, relax. Relax.
When the police arrived and explained the situation, the woman was completely uncooperative. She even handed the officers her phone with the edited boarding pass. However, when the police asked to keep the phone for verification, she refused and started causing a disturbance on the plane. This action could be charged under Section 877.03, breach of the peace, disorderly conduct. Any act causing loud, disruptive behavior or indecent actions in public, leading to disturbance, harassment, or disruption of public order can be considered disorderly conduct. This includes fighting, shouting, using obscene language, or any action causing public disorder. The offender can be charged with a misdemeanor of the second degree with penalties including a fine of up to $500, imprisonment of up to 60 days, or both.
Take it down just a little. I'm trying to help you.
Then talk to them.
Let me go talk to them, but I need to see the phone. I'm on body camera. I'm not going to take your phone.
I don't think that you're going to take my phone. I would just like to have my body camera. You see what I'm saying?
Let me see what
I'm
I can
not
do.
from Florida.
Let me see what I can do. You're correct. Then everything should
Why
be
would
fine.
I make this
You're
up?
saying that you're supposed to be in 37E. So I don't know what the mix-up is. Let me see.
That's not
That's
my
the app, right? Okay. Give me 1 minute.
Clearly, the officer was very patient in explaining to her. Eventually, the suspect agreed to hand over her phone for the officer to verify the information. The police's actions in this case clearly demonstrated patience and professionalism. Clear and detailed explanations not only helped the suspect understand the situation, but also minimized potential tension and conflict. This action not only contributed to maintaining order, but also ensured that the inspection process was smooth and legal. The police not only performed their duty, but also built trust and cooperation from the suspect, emphasizing their role not just as law enforcers, but also as protectors and supporters of the community.
Let me talk to the captain. I know it's on her app, though.
Yeah, but she refreshed. She would have seen her seat.
A screenshot. She opened it up for me, so show me how.
Yeah, that's let me show you this. Yeah.
I understand she didn't. Hey, sir, there's an issue with her. So the thing is, with the ticket, her and Spirit, something happened. That's from when she originally purchased the ticket, it said 13E. So I understand her not wanting to leave, but something's got to give with her and Spirit. I don't want to kick somebody off who doesn't deserve to be kicked off. That's my concern.
Here's my concern. If she's not complying with the flight, that's a no bueno.
No, I understand that.
Flight instructions on the airplane, she's not going to comply with the airline.
The officers found that the photo was edited and not a real ticket. The captain then stated that the woman was not complying with the airline's regulations and they wanted her off the plane. The officers then politely asked her to leave to avoid disturbing all the other passengers on the flight.
I don't know, but I'm gonna tell you right now.
Why don't you ask them
I'm speaking to you.
My name is.
I don't know your name because I don't have. Hold on, let's have a conversation like two human beings. Okay, so I'm gonna tell. Listen, you don't want to have a conversation? That's fine. Let me tell you what's gonna happen.
What is their cost?
If you refuse to come off the plane, I'm gonna take this. I'm giving you your last warning. Plane, you're gonna go to jail today. I'm gonna deplane everyone off the plane. I'm gonna drag you off the plane. That's fine. I'll give you my last warning.
The officer repeated the request to leave the plane several times to the suspect, but she still refused to leave, leading to the police evacuating the passengers to proceed with the suspect's arrest.
15039.
From the aircraft.
I tried.
No, you did.
I tried.
No, I heard you.
I tried.
We came here was the police. We were
Yeah.
police.
Yeah, they were here earlier for a different flight. No, different flight. 36 earlier, different flight. An incoming flight.
When a passenger causes a disturbance on a plane in the U.S., the police may evacuate all passengers to ensure safety and handle the situation effectively. Evacuation ensures the safety of other passengers and avoids escalating the situation. Additional security measures may be implemented to control and prevent any violent actions. Once the plane is evacuated, the police will arrest the disruptive person in a safer environment. This process ensures flights can continue safely and efficiently.
Yeah, honestly, there were some people willing to give up their seats for her.
Oh, really?
Yeah, as they were exiting out. Hey, I'll give up my seat for her. I don't even think that would have helped. You know?
No, she's not moving out.
She's adamant because of the fact it says, and I told her, I said, this happened to me before. I showed up for my flight because, and it says right there, it says, you know, subject to change. Yeah.
The pilots confirmed that this was not the first time she caused a disturbance, and despite several passengers volunteering to give up their seats, the woman insisted on sitting in the seat she chose.
Once the handcuffs go on,
I'm not
there's
doing
no,
anything.
ma'am, there's either get off the plane or go to jail.
I'm not doing anything. What am I doing?
I'm not going to tell you. Off the plane or off the plane, go to jail. What do you want to do? Off the plane? Hold on, Q. Wait, off the plane and go to jail. Pick one. He's asking you, please stand up and walk off. 5. If you stand up and walk off, you can rebook. 2. If not, you're going to jail. 1. It's going with your stuff. In the bag. Put it in. That's your only bag, ma'am? You want to bring a wrapper? Yeah.
The officer still gave her a choice, but she chose not to comply with the request, leading the officers to handcuff and remove her from the plane. In the event of being asked to leave a plane, stay calm and comply immediately. First, listen carefully to the instructions from the captain and the police, then follow them quickly and politely. If you have any questions, ask respectfully to understand the situation. Avoid arguing, resisting, or causing a disturbance, as these actions can lead to more severe consequences. Maintain a respectful and cooperative attitude, which not only helps resolve the issue quickly, but also shows understanding and respect for the law. The woman was taken to the local jail, banned from flying Spirit Airlines for 5 years, and fined. These measures are applied to ensure the safety and order of future flights. This case highlights the importance of complying with aviation regulations and cooperating with authorities to ensure the safety of all passengers. Disruptive behavior on a plane can lead to serious legal consequences. The police officers handled the situation patiently and professionally, maintaining order and following proper procedures. Strict penalties are necessary to prevent similar incidents, protecting the safety and rights of passengers in the future.